Good morning, everybody. So, firstly, let's begin this week by understanding what are we going to be doing for the next coming 80 days. As you guys know, this will be my final frontier, this will be my final year. And so I want to end it with a boom. So therefore, I shall begin the next 80 days with you guys on a more constructive and progressive manner whereby it will be more angling towards your capability in developing your skills to enter on your own. So let's begin with what we have to look and understand about gold. So firstly, let's understand the geopolitical situation that's happening across the world. As you guys know, many currencies against the US dollar has hit its all-time low. What do I mean by that? So let's firstly go to Euro USD. This is the 20 years all-time low. Let's go to GBP USD. This is the 10 years all-time low. Let's look at gold. This is the 3 years all-time low. So what is happening? As you guys know, there's a lot of ruckus that's going on with Joe Biden, the current Prime Minister of the United States. And he has been doing a lot of shit show to disrupt the global economy as a whole. So what you are seeing right now is the US dollar going through what we call a hyperinflation, whereby the inflation rate growth in terms of percentage has been exponentially growing and has potential to go even higher than what it is right now. So that is an indication to the collapse of the US dollar. So in order before that happens, as a country, you will give your final fight. So you will do whatever it takes to make sure your currency survives. But with time, the true direction will take place and boom, the US will die and a new governing global economy ruler will come to place. Maybe Russia, maybe China, maybe India, who knows? But what you have to know is the current geopolitical play. So once you have understand that is just to put our mind in an acceptant manner. If anything does go wrong, there is little you can do in such circumstances. So the analysis begins with understanding where we are right now on monthly. So on the monthly, what has happened is a hyper-extended breakout during news has happened and broke its 2 years all-time low, 3 years all-time low. So therefore, for every breakout, we'll have a retracement or a reversal. So you can't see much from the monthly perspective. That's why we have to just focus on the weekly candle. This over here is an ultra weekly zone that has set place in 2019 and has created the first breakout that rallied to the all-time high. So this box is not a box to be playing around. Therefore, we understand that in this box will be those kind of locations whereby a poke and a super ultra reversal can happen. But let's first identify how big the box is. The size of the box is approximately 1,400 meters. So therefore, that is huge. Meters, I mean pips. So, like I've taught you guys before, whenever we open the chart, we mark our first A. So engulfing fill will be the preferred zone for us to trade, but that is not the potential location for us to enter. What you have to do, on the other hand, is find the first zone that showed true confirmation of a buy, which is over here, engulfing buy of the weekly. So this puts the price approximately around 1625, 1628, down till 1574. So in this zone then, what you do then is you go to the H4, because like I've taught you guys before, in the weekly you look for the H4. So within this H4, you just delete the bigger picture because you understand that this zone is big, you don't need to know about it. you want to focus in here for a specific location of a potential breakout. So what do we locate for? We locate for locations within the zone that has proof of high volatility or high reversal characteristic and behavior. So at this particular level, if you guys look at it, you will see a lot of ups and downs of the bounciness happens. So meaning when it breaks the lower part, it will drop. When it breaks the higher part, it will fly. This location will then be the best sweet spot for a full margin. But understanding that this zone is huge, maybe it will not reach there. So the same characteristic can be found over here. So therefore, we have two potential locations for us to full margin buy. Okay. Here. And here. Okay. So this is the best zone across all time. If it does come here, you whack it. Or if it comes down there, 1592. These two areas, you whack it. For the sell, I will update you guys later.